Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, a big welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are amazing. Thank you all very much. And today's recipe is this wonderful, tasteful, colorful, delicious okra soup. I don't even know what name to use in qualifying this soup. This is very appetizing and looks super delicious. Anyways, please do subscribe to my channel. Your support goes a long way. So let's get started. So to begin this recipe, I'm gonna be using a whole full roasted chicken. With this smoky taste in the soup, it adds more flavor and it gives it a great taste. Like, I can't even get my head together the kind of taste I get from this chicken. It's super lovely. You can use a chicken breast or any kind of chicken you have. And fresh beef. So this means I'm using beef and chicken. You can also add fish if you wish to. It's your food. You add wherever you want. Beef has been cut into pieces. And in this pot, I'm going to be steaming the beef. I add some pinch of salt and bouillon cube, black pepper, add some sliced onion and cover it to steam for 10 minutes. I didn't get to add the chicken and the beef together. After 10 minutes, I will go on to add the chicken. So I steam the beef first before adding the chicken. I will cover it and let it steam for 10 minutes. In that way, it will generate its own moisture. And after 10 minutes, you can see we got some moisture from the meat. At this time, I will go on to add 2 cups of water. And I will cover it to continue to cook for 10 minutes. Altogether, it's gonna be 30 minutes it's been cooking. I have here red bell pepper, tomato, and onion. And it's been cut into pieces, which I'll be running through the grinder. So after grinding it, this is what I got. It looks so beautiful. So in this pan, I'll be adding some palm oil. I will fry my ground vegetables. I add some pinch of salt. Scotch bonnet pepper, I will go ahead and check the meat. It's well cooked. My vegetables are well fried. I just love the way it looks. I go on and turn it into the meat. Combine thoroughly. I will cover it and let it cook for another 20 minutes. And I have my okra well cut. There are different ways of cutting the okra. You can slice it more tinier than this, or just cut it into cubes like this. It's on you to decide how you want it. So I will go on to add the okra. And combine it thoroughly. So after combining it, I will let it steam for 10 minutes. Like you all know, I love my okra very green. I don't like it too overcooked. I like it to remain fresh. So I'll just leave it for 10 minutes and I'm done. I'm really done for today. This looks so beautiful, colorful, appetizing, and overall delicious. Honestly, I'm super hungry right now. I can't even wait 5 more minutes to dive into this meal. I'm just loving the turnout. This is super delicious. This is it. This is how I make my fast, fresh okra soup. If you have ever tried this recipe, please leave me a comment. Do you like it? And if you like this video, do leave this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way I will be providing more recipes like this for you guys. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you all in my next video. Bye guys.